Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving right into how you can customize task views for better tracking on Asana. So let's jump into it. First and foremost, open your Asana and go to the project whose task views you want to customize. The reason we do this is simple. Different projects might require different types of views for optimal tracking. Once you're in the project, look for the View option in the top right corner of your screen. Click on it and you'll see a drop-down menu. Here's what's happening behind the scenes. Asana is giving you the power to decide how you want to see and organize your tasks. Now that we've done that, it's time to choose the view that suits your tracking needs best. You might prefer a list view, a board view, a calendar view, or the workload view. Choose your preferred view and click on it. This helps us because the way you view your tasks can significantly impact your productivity and task tracking efficiency. Next up, let's customize that view. Click on the Fields option, which is next to the View option. Here you can add, remove, or rearrange the task fields according to your preference. The reason we do this is to ensure that you see only the information you need, which reduces clutter and increases focus. Finally, remember to save your view. Click on the Save View for Everyone option. This ensures that every team member sees the same view, promoting alignment within your team. Let me explain why this matters. When everyone is on the same page, it becomes easier to track task progression and avoid misunderstandings. And there you have it. Now you know how to customize task views for better tracking on Asana. So go ahead and tailor your project views to your needs. By doing so, you will be enhancing your task tracking abilities, improving your productivity and alignment with your team. Thanks for tuning in today. Stay organized and see you in the next one.